Welcome to my kitchen. Pour water into a pan. Add a teaspoon of salt and bring it to a boil. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Once boiling, add in 16 ounces or 500 grams of couscous pasta and cook until it's al dente. In a separate frying pan, melt 2 ounces or 60 grams of butter. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Then add a ½ ounce or 15 grams of flour and mix well. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Pour in 17 fluid ounces, or 500 milliliters of milk, stirring constantly. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens slightly. Once the couscous is ready, transfer it to a bowl. Then pour the sauce over it. Grate 7 ounces or 200 grams of soft cheese. Mix in half of the grated cheese. Grease a baking dish with olive oil. Then spread half of the couscous mixture evenly. Finely chop 1 onion. Add some olive oil into the other frying pan. Then fry the onion in it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and soft. Then grate in 3 cloves of garlic. Add them to the onions. Next, add 14 ounces or 400 grams of minced meat, a mix of beef and pork. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Provençal herbs, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Five fluid ounces or 150 milliliters of tomato paste. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now, layer the minced meat mixture over the couscous in the baking dish. Add another layer of couscous on top. Then finish with the remaining grated cheese. Cover with a lid and bake in the oven, preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. While the casserole bakes, let's whip up a quick arugula salad. Put some arugula in a bowl. Chop 7 cherry tomatoes. Chop 1/2 of bell pepper. chop 1/2 of red onion. Add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Then, for the salad dressing, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of mustard. Give it a good stir. Pour it over the salad. And give it a good toss. Once the casserole is done, take it out of the oven. Plate it up with the salad. And let's dig in. Hope you enjoy this delicious meal as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!